All my life, I've only ever wished to be normal. To look, talk, walk, and act like a normal person. But what is normal? Well, the perfect human being, well, nobody's perfect, so it can't be that. Well, look at the people sitting around you. Are they all normal just because they have two eyes? Well, their eyes might be blue, and yours brown. Does that make them more normal than you? What about the size of their ears or nose? Do these physical features make them any kinder or smarter? Oh, people say I'm intelligent. They like my artistic abilities. But if they